Samsung's Gear Sport appears to have two clear goals: be slimmer than last year's Gear S3 model, and bring in swimming support. In the difficult smartwatch market, so few upgrades seem a bit dangerous, but then again, given the Gear S3 was a decent watch, it might not be the worst idea. Samsung's been offering some market-leading capabilities with its digital timepieces for a while, so is the Gear Sport the perfect fusion? Given the key focus of the Samsung Gear Sport is all about making a more compact device, it's bizarrely heavier than the models from last year. We're not talking massive differences, but it's nearly 10 grams and you can feel that on the wrist especially. However, overall it's a smaller device, coming in with the more compact dimensions of 44.6 by 42.9 by 11.6 mm. It looks far more like a normal watch than previous Gears before it, which maintaining the same rugged sensibilities that we like to see for watches of this cost. The ability to sync offline tracks from Spotify means, suddenly, this is a watch you actively want to take out on runs. Add in a pair of Bluetooth headphones and sync some music from the streaming platform, and you're completely kitted out and phone-free on a long run. Setting up the services as fiddly as can be, you'll need to type in a password using an old-school T9 keyboard. Those old enough to remember the early days of texting will know what that means, and check out your username and password.